I may not have gotten up until 10 a.m., but I'm here for it now.
So Kelly was like, well, we need to get the teenage chicks.
And you said, oh yeah, I'll do that in the next 2 or 3 days.
And Kelly was like, no, we need to integrate them now. This is what we woke up to. I left this egg carton up here on the front porch and I just forgot about it. There was like 6 eggs on there. And this is what we woke up to. This was knocked all the way down off the porch. There's an egg. 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 Egg.
But I would think that it'd carry them to like its hiding spot, not just eat it right here.
Well,
Probably a possum.
it is that possum. So we started getting a possum in the chicken coop. We have our first egg snatcher. Okay, so here's the plan for the day. We've now realized that we have a possum that keeps wanting to get in with our chicks and then also wants to eat our eggs. So the plan for the day is we have to move the chickens, and we have some help here because our family is here and they stayed the night in the studio. Amy, how's the studio?
The studio is amazing.
Oh, fun. Okay, the bed's good?
Bed is great. It really makes me want to get one. Yeah, nectar for the win.
Amy, Kelly's sister, wants to show this cool frother because we like coffee here.
You're just gonna pour the deliciousness
What am I doing?
onto your coffee cup.
Okay, I just pour it.
You just pour it in there. Yeah.
I don't know if I have this. It doesn't have like, yeah.
Do you want me to help you?
Yeah, I don't know if I'm that skilled.
Okay, I'll help you. Have you tried this? Clean too.
Okay. It's like, should we do that?
We should remind Everett. Isn't that his morning job? Hey, ready? Watch this. Look at the frothy deliciousness.
Oh, wow.
Isn't that gorgeous?
And so that's coconut milk.
That's coconut
That's
milk, and you're
amazing.
gonna have the most delicious coffee ever.
Yum.
Really, all you need for
Oh my goodness. So it's like,
Didn't that just level up your coffee
yes,
in a whole new way?
it's a little latte,
It
coconut
is.
latte. Oh, we're still buying one of those things. We're still gonna buy like a $700 Breville for the studio.
This is like really great for you. I don't know if the inside is like something leachy, you know, like BPA or
You can only
I
do
don't
so
know, all
much.
the weird things. But
All right, now it's time to move the chickens. This is honestly, it's probably my least favorite part of homesteading. I really dislike poultry netting. It's good, it works. It's just not my favorite thing. There we go, perfect, okay. You're doing good. Moving them. Okay, push hard, push hard, push hard, push hard, push hard, push hard. There we go. Yeah, now you're pushing. Push, 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 push. Okay. Now we have to spin it. Okay, spin, 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 and down. need to text my neighbor and to ask him where he got, I think he once rented a push brush hog, like a walk behind brush hog thingamajigger. I'm gonna ask him where he got that, because I want one. Or just to rent one. I like having the forestry mulcher, but I don't always have just 1,500 bucks to blow. But right now I need to get all this, and that would be very helpful. Build a network and use your network to make things more productive and better use of time. Because it's just easier. But it works whenever it's done. The steak.
The what?
Hey, baby. Kind of hold it up so it doesn't get in all the brush. Okay, perfect. Okay. Now, march. Yep. And try to hold it a little high so it doesn't get any twigs. Wait.
Oh, you're not seeing anything.
Watch out, Fanny. Left, 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 right, left.
I don't know what I'm
Okay, so hold it up a little high so it doesn't get caught. And right now it's all caught in this. So let's strengthen it up. I need to be on this side.
Yeah.
So we're gonna have to go over here and go over the camera. You did great.
This side of the camera.
Perfect. Actually,
Look at that donkey.
it might
He's
not
like,
matter.
I'm too
to be
tired.
honest.
Side, the one corner, babe.
What?
Okay, that sounds good. Okay.
You can go parallel to this. So
So should I take now?
let me double check that that's what Dad wants. Do you want us to start coming
Yeah.
around?
It's not gonna be perfect,
Okay.
so wherever you can try to.
So basically, you just do it one camera out.
We're gonna do our best. This is just placeholder. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is go.
What you do is that clip right there. You're just gonna walk to it and open it up, and then that top hatch is gonna fall down.
I just walked it.
You're good. There you go. Oh, they're coming. Come on out, girls.
Okay, so this is where I am a good starter and a horrible finisher. Kelly is a horrible starter, but a fantastic finisher. We just now got the chickens in here and I was like, okay, good, we're done. Let's go eat and just drink yummy coffee on the front porch. And she said,
I may not have gotten up until 10 a.m., but I'm here for it now.
so Kelly was like, well, we need to get the teenage chicks.
And you said, oh yeah, I'll do that in the next 2 or 3 days.
And Kelly was like, no, we need to integrate them now. So let's get the chicken tractor with the chick lift inside here that these chicks can start smelling each other and then we can throw them in. So it's time to finish the job.
You guys are good. You're over it, babe. Watch your feet. Good job. Okay, you're clear.
Come on, chickens.
You guys are good. You're over it, babe. Watch your feet.
I think Kelly got that. That was a big move. But seriously, this would have been an 8-hour project.
No, it wouldn't have. But it would have been like 3.
This is a cool house.
It's a cool home.
Home.
Hose?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, shoot it down. Perfect.
Also, may you give me a watering can?
Hey. Here, pick. Here, pick. Here. I was doing a project, and now a chicken got out of their new...
She's returning home.
Yes, this is exactly where they were. Contain. Nope, Ollie, don't cut her off. Here, chick, 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 chickie. Here, chickie, chickie, chickie. Yeah. Okay, now come help us catch this chicken, Ollie. You better not mess up my new garden. There you go.